Is it viewing fine? Is the viewing angle fine? Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I think so.
I'll share the footage with you too, actually.
Right? Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
My girlfriend showed me a mode yesterday, which is like, it takes 5-second video, and then, so 5-second video, that's what she's done with like the scuba diving. 5-second video, 1 photo. 5-second video, 1 photo.
Oh.
But it's just on one GoPro that you have this one. I think it's GoPro 4 or 5.
Okay. No worries. I got like 256 gigs.
Oh.
It's alright.
So it's your first time, guys, you're doing that?
Yeah. Oh. I'm very unsure what to expect. Come on now, you walk in front. Can you see yourself? Nat, careful. Can you see yourself here? Yeah, I think you're too focused.
Our jungle staircase or a stairmaster. Everything that goes down, all the rappelling we're going to do today, we're going to have to come back up. This is the way we're going to come back up. About 250 steps. 300 vertical.
Nat, you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't adjust my eyesight.
Wow. It's already amazing.
We're going to take one of those cow's tails and we're going to clip it to this red rope here. Go ahead and clip on. Get here, you guys. We're going to take the other one.
Right, let's clip the safeties. Okay.
Alright, so Matt, hold that one in your hand. It's just got one point of contact. Come on down, and then we're going to flip past this little deviation. Yep, so flip past that deviation. Yeah, there you go. Let's try to keep one point of contact. And then you put that on your side. I just wanted to stop here to look at the water. Talk to you guys a little bit about the water today. Because when we do get close to the water, we're going to be asking one of you to be our flash flood spotter. You know, if not all of you, but one of you is going to be responsible for looking upstream, picking a spot where the water flows across the rock, and then letting us know if it goes higher than that, right?
Okay.
So we're just trying to get an average. So the water is typically, there's a pool back there that's full right now, and it's typically 3 to 4 feet beneath the layer of that rock. So for me, I'm watching that pool is full, and it looks like it's going to start overflowing in that little arm with all those bubbles, right? So if it does, we come to betting it will. That's a flood stage, right? So that's kind of a flash flood or a high water flood mark. We're going to try to get you guys as close as comfortable to the water. Since we've got a small group, we can move pretty fast.
Okay.
Now, if you hear a whistle blast 3 times, that means flash flood, and that means to get to higher ground or safety, right?
Okay.
If you're rappelling, it means rappel like hell. Go faster. You get to the bottom, find your guide. We have a trail system, and the trail system is all on this side of the canyon, so we can get out and get to safety pretty easily.
Okay.
We've planned all this out. We know what it's like. We know the water's probably going to come up today. Because we've got 3 super fit young dudes, we're probably going to do something we probably wouldn't do with families.
Okay.
But we're going to try to keep it really safe for you guys
Right.
today. Super, super safe, but we're going to move fast. We're going to think about that while we're moving, right?
Okay.
Right?
Awesome.
So we're going to head down to the end of this ridge, and we're going to do our rappel down there. Grab the square here.
Are you also into rock climbing or?
Kinda, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, way more into the canyons than we have better canyons than we have walls here.
Go over there, over in that area.
The walls are small and crumbly.
Yeah. We're, if you were to fall straight down right here, about 150 feet to the bottom.
Wow.
Something like that. So it's a little ways. I'm going to do a rappelling 101 class, just to teach you guys how to do this. Then Deacon is going to go down as an example of what to do. He's going to secure the end of the rope with a figure of 8 knot and a carabiner to the hand line and belay from that shelf flipped into the lead line. You guys are going to rappel down to that shelf and then immediately clip onto the green line before you disconnect from the rope. This is called the perch. We're going to look at the water level under the perch, and that's going to dictate if we do the perch or not. Okay? If the water level is too high in the pool, and there's like a recirculating hydraulic, we may not do it. Hopefully we can do it, and then get down canyon and finish with a nice big rappel into the water.
Let's do it.